Hello, and welcome to Live Hub Generic SIP Connection Setup. In this session, we're going to learn how to add a SIP connection in AudioCodes Live Hub. I'm going to voice channel SIP connection, and I'm going to add a new SIP connection. This SIP connection, as you know, we have several product types and providers. We're going to use the generic SIP connection. We call it SBC ADC. It's AudioCodes SBC. It's the generic SIP trunk. We're going to use the Live Hub origin in Europe for security. Let's set that to disabled. Since we work with UDP without certificates, there's no need to configure anything here, no need to register, and no condition for the incoming side. As you can see, we generate a unique FQDN for this SIP connection. We'll copy it and use it later. Okay, we're going to use the FQDN as authentication for the outbound. I need to add my SBC IP address. This is my SBC. I'm going to take my IP and add it here. You can see I can add the IP address. The address you're going to use is 5060 UDP. Click on the blue plus to set it. For advanced, let's enable Keep Alive so we can see options messages being sent for this SBC. From here, we can create and close this. This is my connection. You can see it's here. Go to Edit, and on this tab, you can see the Info tab. You can see the SIP connection FQDN, and you can see the signaling IP we use and the media IP we're going to use. If you have a firewall or some setting in between, you need to configure these IPs. This is our global IP where the SIP needs to connect. If I go here to add a new proxy in AudioCodes SBC, I'll call it Live Hub. I need to set the IP where we send the traffic. By default, it is the PC user. So let's create a new group called Live Hub. This group is connected to the proxy we just created. For verification and authentication, as I said, we need the FQDN here. Copy it and add it as the SIP group name. Also, enable Keep Alive. Go to Proxy, enable Keep Alive, Live Hub option. Now we'll verify that the SIP connection is up. You can go to Status and see that this is the IP address of the Live Hub connection, and the status is online. We can also see here on the Info tab since options messages were sent. This is the options traffic we sent. You can see our contact is the FQDN, the unique FQDN for the SIP connection. Close here, and the SIP connection is connected. You can start using it for routing either from your bot to your bot or for any other configuration.